Hello everyone. So in this next series of videos, I'll be talking about Python lists. Lists are an important type of Python sequence that can be very useful, and the main difference between Python lists and Python tuples is that Python lists are mutable, which means that contents can be modified in place, unlike Python tuples which are immutable. The way we can define a Python list is by using square brackets. For example, let's say we have a variable called list A. The way we can declare an empty list is by just using square brackets. The way you can input values is by just separating them out by using commas. And also keep in mind that, like Python tuples, Python lists can also hold different types of variables. It can hold strings, it can hold numbers, it can also hold other lists. For example, you can have list nested within a list, etc. Another way you can declare a Python list is by using the list keyword. Now let's say we have a tuple called tup, and let's say it holds a string. Now let's say you want to convert this tuple into a list. This can be done by declaring another variable, and then we can use the list keyword and then pass the tuple as an attribute into this list function. And now when you print out both the list A and let's also print out the tuple that we converted into a list. So now you can see that list A uh, uh, is as we defined in line 1, and then you can see that list tuple is the tuple that was converted into a list. So in the next video, let's look at what it really means by lists are mutable.